Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is power off our device. So let's turn it off. There we go. After shutting down, we need to press and hold two buttons, the power button and the volume down button. Press and hold it for a few seconds until you will see this screen over here. Now what we need to do is simply scroll up until we see the recovery mode, and then press the power button in order to confirm. Once you are in the recovery mode, actually before that we will also see the no command screen, like so. So now we need to press the power button, and then while holding the power button we need to press the volume up button, like so. Now we can use the volume up and down buttons in order to navigate, and if we scroll down we will find enter Fastboot, and then we need to simply use the power button in order to enter the Fastboot. And there we go. Now we can navigate once again using the volume up and down. We have four options. We have reboot system now, which restarts to the normal mode. We have the enter recovery, so we go back to the recovery mode. We have the reboot bootloader, and we can also turn off our smartphone by choosing power off. And of course we confirm the action by pressing the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.